Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by choosing core tech, HTML5, CSS3, and a JavaScript framework, because structure and interactivity depend on them. Once done, initialize the project with npm, create a Git repo, and install linters and a dev server so you iterate fast. Make sure to sketch a mobile-first layout: header, nav, hero, content, footer, that guides CSS and accessibility decisions. Don't overconfigure. Start with a working index, HTML, a style sheet, and one main JS file to prove the flow. Now you implement the core features. Create a responsive grid using CSS Grid and Flexbox so elements adapt naturally. While building, craft semantic components, nav, sections, articles, and add area roles to improve screen reader support. Next, wire up JavaScript, event listeners for UI, fetch requests for dynamic data, and client-side form validation to prevent bad submissions. As you code, test on real devices and in dev tools. This reveals layout breaks and performance hotspots early so you can fix them immediately. To finish, optimize and prepare for deployment. Minify CSS and JS, compress images, and add caching headers so pages load fast. Then deploy, use a static host or container platform, and configure HTTPS plus a simple CI pipeline to automate builds. Once live, verify accessibility and run Lighthouse for performance. If something breaks, focus on one troubleshooting step. Open DevTools, inspect console and network requests, clear cache, then reproduce in incognito. That sequence reveals missing files, cores, or cache-related errors quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.